Let's go on. Question number 14. Now, which paragraph contains the following information? And we are fully aware of the passage. We understand the passage. Now we can locate this information. And by the way, this question type, which paragraph contains the following information, is very common question type in academic reading part 2 and in general training reading part 1. Okay. Now, what you have to do, you have to scan. You read the question and you keep the clue words in mind and you scan the whole passage. And when you scan, you do not read. Scanning is not reading. Scanning is more like a search. For example, if you go to the passage and I say, look for the word 1999. Look for the number 1965 and you can easily locate that, right? This is what we call scanning. And when you scan, you do not read. If you are using computer delivered IELTS, then cursor will move. If you are doing paper delivered IELTS, then pencil should move. Whenever you scan, scan with a pencil. Your scanning speed will be doubled. Okay. So, question number 14, a description of how people misused a bike sharing scheme. If you remember, people took away the bikes. Yeah. Paragraph. Go back and see. Description of how people misused bike sharing scheme. Everyone, please come to paragraph E. And we have the word people. People is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 6th line. 6th line and there is the word people. Found it? Now please read it with me. I really have no idea what people did with them. What do they mean by them? Bicycles. What people did with them, because they could instantly be recognized as white bikes. So what happened? People took them away. Right? So people did with them. So question number 14, correct answer is E. Because we have to tell them the paragraph which contains the following information. So question number 14, correct answer is E. E for elephant. Well done. Now let's go on. Question number 15, explanation of why proposed bike sharing scheme was turned down. Turned down means rejected. Now look for a paragraph where they say the bike sharing scheme was rejected. Go back. Rejected. Look for the word rejected. For scheme they use the word plan. Just scan rejected the plan. Rejected the plan. Rejected the plan. Rejected the plan. Now go back, go back. It's there. Just go through A, B, C. Rejected the plan. Rejected the plan. Paragraph C. Third last line. After full stop. Nevertheless, the council unanimously rejected the plan. Rejected the plan means scheme was turned down. So question number 15, correct answer is C. Got it? This is what we call scanning. You're not reading. You're only scanning and all that. Now, question number 16, reference to a person. It means they will use the name of a person. Being unable to profit from their work. A person who started a scheme and he was unable to profit from his own work. He did not make any profit from his own work. Look for a paragraph. Person who did not profit from his own work. Look for the words like financially, benefit. Financially, benefit. Excellent. It's paragraph F. Second last line. It's wonderful that this happened. He says, but financially I didn't really benefit from it. He says means person who did not get benefit. So that is paragraph F. Question number 16, F will be the right answer. Next, question number 17. Explanation of potential savings a bike sharing scheme would bring. Now just see, reduced fuel cost, health benefits, anything like that. Go back to paragraph A, B, C, D. I give you a hint. A, B, C, D, explanation of potential savings. Just look for some percentage or anything like that. Potential savings a bike sharing scheme would bring. Saving. 10%, anything like that? Okay, that is well done, Neelam. That's good. That is paragraph C. Exactly. In paragraph C, okay, I'm reading paragraph C from third line. I made serious calculations. It turned out that a white bicycle per person per kilometer would cost the municipality only 10% of what it contributed to public transport per person per kilometer. What does it mean? It means explanation of the potential saving. What is that saving? 10% per person per kilometer. Okay, so question number 17, correct answer is C. Question number 18, a reference to the problems a bike sharing scheme was intended to solve. Problems, and bike sharing scheme had to solve these problems. And usually they talk about problems in the first paragraph. They start with the problems and how bike sharing schemes solve those problems and all that. Just go back and see where do they talk about it. Paragraph A, third line after full stop. They believed. Yes, they believed the scheme which was known as White-Fitson plan was an answer. Answer means solution. Was an answer to the perceived threats of air pollution and consumerism. So, bike sharing scheme solve two problems. One is air pollution and second is consumerism. Question number 18, right answer is A.